Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be breaking down Figma's pricing plans that will help you to choose the best one for your design needs. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description for the latest Figma subscription details. Now, Figma offers four different pricing plans, ranging from the free plan to for beginners to the advanced solutions for teams and enterprises. So let's go over each one of these. So with the Figma's free plan, you are going to get up to 3 Figma files and unlimited FigJam files. You will get up to 2 editors per file, and it is basic prototype and collaboration tool. If we go to the professional team plan, it will cost you $15, and you will save 20% when billed annually. So basically annually will cost you $12 per month. Over here you will get unlimited Figma files and advanced collaboration with shared team libraries and auto conversations and additional permissions. If we go to the next plan, that is this organization plan, so it will cost you $45 per month if billed annually, and it will give you the design system management and analytics, private plugins and team admin controls, single sign on, that is SSO, and the advanced security features as well. Next we have the big plan of Figma, that is of the enterprise. This is the best for the large companies, so you will get the custom pricing option. Everything is organized here, and you will get unlimited teams and advanced controls, and audit logs and dedicated support and workflow automations. Now you must be wondering which plan is right one for you. So all of the name are actually suggesting you, if you are someone who is just starting out with Figma, you don't need use Figma often, so free plan is perfect for you. If you are a student, if you are an individual, if you are a beginner, you can go with the free plan. If you are a professional, if you are a freelancer, and if you have a small teams, you will definitely need the professional team plan. Organization is for best for the company's management design system across the teams, and the enterprise is for the largest organizations who need top tier security and management tools. So Figma provides the flexible pricing options tailored to the different users, from beginners to the enterprises. So whether you are a solo designer or managing a large team, there is a plan for you. So if you want to try it out, you can just use the link in the description. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.